Tell me, what does it look like in heaven? Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say?
My name is Matthew Mullins, and Calvin was one of my close friends. I knew him when I was playing in the Lenore Ryan University marching band with him. He was a friend that I only knew for 2 months, but I take that time as some of the best time I ever had. He was a good friend to all of us, to his family, to the band, and one of my favorite memories was getting out on the field and marching with him. He was an amazing trombone player. One thing, Calvin, I want you to know, we're all going to miss you. Your family, your band family, teachers, everyone. We all cared about you. And we hope that you're in a better place now.
Hi, Calvin. I'm Kenny Yang. Calvin is my nephew from my brother, Soku, which is the second brother in my family. Calvin, to me, he was a great kid. Talent, smart, intelligent. He has a full life ahead of him. Sadly that he has to left us behind, but my best memory with him is when I babysit him most of the time when his parents has to go to work, or whenever they don't have time to watch him, I'm always there to watch him. And my best one was every time I see him, damn, Calvin, so big. Now I can't say that no more. Calvin, just let you know, Calvin, we all miss you. Every single one. I was hoping you would get to see my baby. But sadly, you went for a better place. We miss you. Every time we see you, always happy, always grateful, always helpful to help around no matter what. You never show any sign of sadness, disappointment, or anger, or anything. We miss you, Calvin. We miss you dearly.
Hi, Calvin. This is Auntie. One of my memories with you was how it was a couple months ago you were helping me clean our living room and you were vacuuming. And when I came back, you told me how you helped me clean the living room and you took out the filter out. You told me that you dumped it out because it was getting too fluid. And then when I vacuumed a couple weeks ago, it reminded me of you because I had to take that filter out and trash it out again. So that was one of my memory with you, and I really miss you, and I wish you were still here with us. We wish you well. Hopefully you find peace. We miss you, Calvin.
We miss you, Calvin. Hi, I'm Chombury Yang. We are Calvin, to uncle. One of the four uncle. Ever since he was little, he called me Uncle Beer because I was drinking beer. And the one key one that I kind of remember is I ate that tequila warm right in front of him, and he gave me that ugly face. He would like look at me like I'm dumb eating a bug. But yeah, man, Calvin, rest in peace.
I'm Peachy. I'm Calvin's auntie. One thing I remember about him is he's always so goofy when he's around us. He's goofy and I never seen him mad at all. He's never mad when we're over. He greets us all the time. Sadly, we had to lose him so early, but he's always been such a bigger, older brother to my kids, so I always admire him. We'll miss you, Calvin, our Maui, because you were our Maui and our Calvin. We love you.
Hi, I'm May. I'm the auntie. I grew up watching Calvin grow up. It's really hard seeing him go like this. Like I said, he will always be my papa. And I hope he knows that. And then Calvin, you could not go. Auntie, so sorry. that couldn't be there for you when you needed someone the most. Know that we'll never forget you.
My name is Carter Chang, and I am related to Calvin. From my mom to Uncle Suku to, and I know. Okay, so, and then we used to play Beyblades and on the PS4, and we used to hang out a lot.
I don't know what to say. Hi, I'm Chloe, and I'm the cousin, and what is it? I don't know what to say.
Good memory of Calvin. What do you like about him?
I like how he does band, and he's really good at it.
Yeah.
My name is Sophia, and I'm the cousin of Calvin. Woohoo! We played kickball with the other brothers and Chase. And he kicked the ball so hard, it went over the train tracks.
My name is Joseph McCone Yang, and I'm Calvin's youngest brother. My favorite memory of him is when he took me and my brother to Kinsuken. We ate sushi, of course, and we just talked a lot. It's probably the only time he took us out.
My name is Jason Jinu Yang. I'm Calvin's brother, the second oldest. I don't like music that much, but he convinced me to do music, and I still don't like it as much, but I can still be in it. I'm still happy I'm in music with Calvin. He used to take me to class every day, and not anymore. It's pretty empty now.
My name is Olivia. I'm 7 years old. And good thing about Calvin is he likes to mess with me a lot, but I don't care about it. Calvin, I love you so much. I miss you. Too.
chúa bà bóng ngày cô thiệt qua ủa cha có yêu mù có hó chỉ hay thiệt cô ít sinh mình mà tao chỉ có lừa tia gió bùa mùa vì cô chỉ giàu ở trong đó có thiệt lý qua nô bóng cái lý ở ta tua ôi chưa một giờ kể từ lá mùa kể tô xia chính nhớ giờ cả tề kể rong sao nó chỉ mua cả chính chỉ tao có nhà có thiên dành địa tây mù Chúa Chúa bằng bóng ấy cô thiệt qua ôi cha có yêu mù có hó chỉ hay thiệt cô ít sinh mình mà tao chỉ có lừa tia gió bùa mùa vì cô chỉ giàu ở trong đó có thiệt lý qua nô bóng cái lý ở ta tua ôi chưa một giờ kể từ lá mùa kể tô xia chính cho giờ có tề kể rong sao nó chỉ mua có chính chỉ tao có nhỏ có thiên dành địa tây mù sao nó cũ đầu cho tao cả yêu có cũ cả chia ly cha yêu thì chỉ hờ thì tao yêu thì đó cả bỏ yêu ương đành đã sống đủ nữ yên lo sau lấy nó lo bỏ yêu luôn đưa trâu gì trâu cũ lo bỏ yêu luôn đưa trâu gì trâu cũ 离寂寞。